Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation. Today, I am going to compare two tools for data analysis, Code Interpter and Noteable Plugin. I will show you how they perform on a document file that contains some numerical data, and how they can generate 3D graphs, animations and videos from it. First, let me introduce Code Interpter. It is a web-based tool that allows you to write and run code in various languages, such as Python, R, Julia and more. You can also import libraries and packages to enhance your code's functionality. Code Interpter has a simple and intuitive interface that lets you edit, execute and debug your code easily. Next, let me introduce Noteable Plugin. It is a plugin for Microsoft Word that enables you to create and run notebooks within your document. Notebooks are interactive documents that combine code, text, images and graphs. Noteable Plugin supports Python as the main language, but you can also use other languages with the help of kernels. Noteable Plugin has a rich and flexible interface that lets you customize your notebook's appearance and behavior. Now, let's see how these two tools handle the document file that I have prepared. It contains some data about the sales of different products in different regions. I want to analyze this data and create some visualizations to show the trends and patterns.